not anymore continue with my journey with Ateneo kasi I was looking for some better opportunities. Isa din sa mga reason kasi my brother is already teaching sa Ateneo. He's already been there for about, I think it's already 5 years now. So probably next year, next closing, he will be receiving 5th year in service award sa Ateneo. Ako magte-3rd year pa lang ako. Pero yun na nga, nag-stop tayo na kasi we're looking for better opportunities. Yun, yung plano ko talaga originally to really stop and to take master. And right now, I'm in the process of application. And hopefully, to be successful. Life is very difficult nowadays. May mga ups and downs. Right now, I was looking at myself, looking at the situations that I have. It's very difficult. Nawala ka talagang daily income. Wala kang source of income. You're very dependent to your families as well as your loved one. Like sa base ko, kadalasan humingi lang ako ngayon ng pera sa mga kapatid ko. Umaasa ako sa earnings nila kasi wala tayong pera ngayon. Although may receivables naman tayo. May receivables naman tayo sa pag-alis natin sa Ateneo, pero hindi pa natatapos yun kasi alam natin na kailangan pa natin mag-clearance. Tapos hindi pa naman ako tapos ng clearance ko. I'm still expecting that one. But right now, enjoy na lang muna tayo sa pagiging unemployed natin. Kasi if we know na kapag employed na, the life will really change. Yung magiging busy na tayo, wala na tayong oras sa gala-gala. Sa case na ito, hindi naman mag-gala-gala eh. Kasi I was really obliged to go Bungyaw. And nahihirapan din ako kasi paus na rin yung gas ko. And meron ako ditong 50 pesos. Sakto lang ito in case ma-ubusan tayo dito sa daan. Ganito din yung buhay guys. Class na lang. Siguro mga class na lang. Pero naman ako ginagab na opportunity ngayon, still teaching. But I was also looking for another purpose. Pwede natin kapitaan. Kasi nasanay na may sahod ka mga dating